Amazing returns. Only in VELO we already made 180% profit. Guys, I shared this trade in the private list right here on Monday 13. We bought this coin for 0.0025 and put a sell order right here 0.008. But I'm not confident our order will get filled at 0.08, so I'm gonna email the private list members so they can start to take a profit on this coin because you are already up 180%. 180% is pretty far. Like I mentioned, before the pump there is a pre-pump on volume, and the pre-pump happened right here around September 11 up to September 12. So there's a pre-pump on volume right here. So far today, guys, 430%. The trades I shared in the private list was Cocos-BCX, v.systems, Litex, VELO, and Ariva, guys. We focus on coin running high volume. Take a look at this volume: 234 million, 6.6 million, 3.1 million, 71 million, 2.9 million. Guys, if I made $43,000, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades. Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Next trade recap, like I mentioned before, Ariva, guys. I shared this trade in the private list right here on Friday 17. We bought this coin for 0.00006 and you put a sell order right here 0.0001. We made 75%. I made 7,500. Guys, a lot of people think we make money in this channel because we buy low price coins like 0.00. We don't care for the price, guys. When you trade stocks or crypto, we don't care for the price. We care for the volume because the money is here. We need to trade coins with the volume. Like I mentioned, you gotta calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Okay, this is all the volume spiking right now. Let me give you an example here. Poly match. The symbol is poly. Let's go copy this. Let's put right here. Boom, poly. Crypto. Coinbase. See here. Take a look here. This volume spike right here. So my software alert me volume spike and poly 119%. Huge returns, guys. That's how you make money. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. Bitcoin, guys, like I mentioned on my Twitter account, our last call to buy Bitcoin was right here, to buy Bitcoin at $16,000, 16.5. So far we are up, and Bitcoin right now is around 24,700. You already know all the good stuff. Give me a like this video, share. Let's trade together because together we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.